Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to be looking at Dewalt's brand new 1/2-inch mixer. This is a FlexVolt tool. It's got an E-clutch on it, the Perform Protect. This thing is pretty sweet. As you can see, it's quite large. It's very, very large in my hand. We're running on a FlexVolt battery, the 60, what is this? I can't read upside down. 6 amp hour, that's what I'm trying to say. Just an awesome drill. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to drill some holes and we're going to mix some drywall compound with it so we can kind of see how this thing performs. Now, I really like it already. It's massive. Okay, let's compare it to my whole Hawg here. Okay, you can kind of see in comparison. If you guys have seen these have been around a while. This is the E-clutch. Whole Hawg is what I call a right angle drill. Love this tool, but I only use it for big drilling things. I never mix with it. This tool here has been designed to mix. The RPMs on this are 0 to 600 RPMs. Okay, it's a 1/2-inch chuck. The code on it is DCD130, and it's even Bluetooth tag ready. Okay, so you're good to go if you want to use that system. It has 3 areas here where you can put your handle. The reason I like this is because a lot of the times people like to mix like this as opposed to this way. And if you're left-handed, then you could mix like this. All right. So I don't know. Let's mix like this. Let's change it up. Okay, we're gonna mix like this. Now it has onboard tool storage. I love this tool storage. Can't beat it. The first time they came out with, well, my first whole Hawg, it was corded, and all they did was strap it to the cord, and I lost it right away. But this is sweet. I actually have to use a tool to get it out sometimes. Hold it right in there. So first, let's drill a hole, because you don't just have to use this for mixing compound. And you can mix drywall compound with this. You can mix mortar, cement, thin set, all that good stuff. So it does have the E-clutch on it, so it's not going to tear my arm off if I was to hit a knot or something. I'm not going to go too deep because I don't want to hit my table. So you can see I'm going to stay about here. I'm going to keep the blue above so I don't wreck my beautiful table. All right, here we go. So I'm putting the reverse on to get this out because this is threaded and it doesn't want to come out when you pull on it. But you can see it drills through this no problem at all. And actually, let's just go sideways. Pretty sweet, guys. I like this drill. You could drill holes all day. All right, that bit is piping hot. So it also has an LED light here, which is kind of nice. So drilling holes, no problem. And I didn't find it that taxing. You know, it was just easy drilling. At one point, I think I could just do it with one hand. All All right, next, let's set up the mixer. I'm just using a regular, simple paddle mixer here for drywall mud. Nothing too fancy. Okay. And we're going to mix some Pro Set 90 and 90-minute mud. Basically, if you guys aren't familiar, this mud dries within 90 minutes roughly. Okay, so you can sand it and get your next coat on. And it appears I haven't even used this yet, so whatever. It's all for the tool review, guys. Brand new bag of mud. All right, so we already got a bit of water in there. I always like to kind of mix and pour at the same time. We need a little bit more water. One-handed. Want to get some of that mixing action in there? It's pretty nice. And I like how quickly it stops. It's just a dead stop. So that's pretty cool. So as you can see, it mixes mud. No problem. The drill is not hot. I love this drill. I think it's great. I think if you're a drywaller or tile guy, you should get this. This thing is awesome. You're not gonna have to worry about burning out your motor at all. So, you know, it's just such a nice drill to have. It's not even that heavy. I'm just gonna take this paddle off. Like with a battery, this is way heavier. This whole Hawg is way heavier than this. You know, there's a serious motor in here. I quite like it. I highly recommend it, guys. It's the FlexVolt E-clutch drill for mixing mud. It's the 1/2-inch chuck, and I like it. So give me some comments. I want to hear what you think. If you've already tried it, do you want one? Because I got one and it's pretty sweet. So yeah, leave some comments down below. Subscribe, hit that notify bell. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. Until next time, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.